It's no secret that Cristiano Ronaldo is an advocate for people to eat healthy, and for some reason he is not a big fan of Coca-Cola. So when he sat down for an interview at the European Championships press conference, he removed the Coca-Cola bottles and said drink water, which caused the Coca-Cola stock to go down, which caused a $4 billion loss in market value. Autostereoscopy is a way of displaying images that look 3D, but without the need of using 3D glasses. In Chengdu, there is a huge billboard which has this effect, and it's definitely an attention grabber. Even though the camera is still slightly tilted, which makes it look steeper, an unbelievable footage to watch is a jeep truck doing an almost vertical climb, which doesn't even look possible. During a lightning storm in Las Vegas, a man decided to film the big storm on the horizon, and when looking back at the footage, he was really surprised to see what looked like two UFOs caught in the lightning flashes. Okay, I have no idea what this could be, but when a man was walking towards his car in the parking lot, he couldn't help but notice what looks like a cloud on the ground, so he decided to film it, and well, the footage looks really strange. Despite spiders not being known to be the most appealing animal, there is a type of dance which is inspired by spiders' movement, and well, it's mesmerizing but bizarre to watch. A confusing video to watch is one coming from Russia, in which a huge object seems to enter the atmosphere, and while possible explanations of what it could be are a rocket launcher, meteor, or a space vehicle re-entry. A very heartwarming story comes from a man in China whose son was abducted by an unknown woman, and at the time the police investigation proved ineffective, but the man never gave up and started his own search, which included driving over 300,000 miles with the picture of his son and handing out flares, and well, after 24 years he was finally able to reunite with his son, and his reaction is priceless. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.